For a little while, I was possessed by an evil spirit.
I remember everything I did. And the worst part is I remember liking it. Because I felt powerful, I felt fearless, and most of all, in control. Allison's dead. And I guess the only good thing is it looks like I'm dying too.
Life can't ever be all bad or all good. You know, eventually things have to come back to the middle. Which means at some point, the scale has to tip one way or the other. Things are gonna get really good again. Really bad.
Came for the dark kids and eggs. I came for Void Stiles. That's the pack I want.